Another descale time. Wipe down the door and the door seal. It is probably the best I can get it. I'm going to try and get that bit off just now. 2 Calgon tablets. This is the drawer. It's bearable. The inside's not too bad either. I'm going to do... what the hell? Oh. Obviously 90 is a need. We'll put that on. Level 2. No spin. I'll do a separate spin cycle at the end. On. 2. 3. Let me just wipe down the door seal quickly. There we go, got a bit more off. That'll do. Where's the drain hole? What the fuck? Oh, I pressed the spin. Oh, I don't know, let's just start it. I don't want any spin.